guys, welcome back to Jadyn.crafts, and today we have the wonderful March wrap-up. So let's get started. Okie dokie artichokes. Oh my gosh. I haven't done a sit-down video in so long. My last video was not with me, so it's been a while, but we're back in session. And I am super excited to show you what I made for the month of March. So why don't we just get right into it, you know? Let's skip the theatrics, skip the extra stuff, and let's just get into it. So first off, I will start with some cute little bracelets that have been popping up on my Instagram. Oh my gosh, my chair is like so squeaky today. If it squeaks, then you know why. But these bracelets have been popping up on my Instagram. A lot of people like Masha and Alex have been making tutorials on this bracelet, so I thought I would give it a try, you know, hop on the trend and make these cute bracelets. It is these cute like daisy, I don't know if that's what they're called, I think they're daisies, but they are so pretty. I made a like, it looks kind of yellow on camera, but it's like a light orange, maybe like a dark yellow, I don't know. And then there's like this cute little lavender one, and I just ended it on the flower. So yeah, they are super cute. I also made like a sage green one for my friend Grace because it's her birthday in March. Super cute. And these are bracelets that I will actually wear because they're like not very big and they look very cute on the wrist. So yeah, I was also wearing the peach one in my last video for the thumbnail, if you saw that little peep of the bracelet in the thumbnail, but yeah, little tidbit for you. So yeah, that is these bracelets right here. Super cute. I really want to do more of them so then I can like correlate them with outfits, you know, be like stylish. I mean, try to be stylish at least, but totally recommend if you want an easy, fun bracelet. Okay, so next category, well, I don't know if we're doing this by categories, but the next category is like thicker normal patterns. And I actually, okay, so first one, I actually made this at like the last part of February. I forgot to put this in the February wrap up, but here it is. This is from the past challenge, or the photos that I will be showing you today. It is super cute. I just love this one. I can't remember. I think I forgot to show this one. So here it is. It's the super cute stained glass like effect, you know, and I just love this one. It is super cool. Love the primary colors. You feel? So I made this also in the month of February, but I posted the rating my friends to-dos in March. So we're gonna count it with the March one as well. So it's this super cute like little zipper effect maybe? I don't really know. But it reminds me of like a zipper, but a jaggedy zipper, you know? And it's like very neon, very like hipster 80s type vibe. It just makes me happy, brightens my day, and that's what I want in a bracelet. So it is super just radical, you know, groovy. Love the vibrancy from this one. The next one, the next category, again, if we're going by categories, we have Gizmo. Love Gizmo. Oh my gosh, I love him. He's so cute. But I also made this one in February, and the rating my friends to-dos was posted in March, so we're just gonna count it as March again. And I just love Gizmo. He's such a OG, such a cutie. Love the bold eyes, love the fat little body, love the little tail, love the little legs. Oh my gosh, Gizmo is just amazing, super cute, and it's like a good like proportion, you know. Like it's wide, but it's also like thinner for the length of it. I just like it. It just floats my boat, you know. It makes me happy, and that's what I like in my bracelets, especially for wall hangings. Super cute. And speaking of more wall hangings, the only alphas that I did this month are wall hangings. So let's talk about it. I just loved wall hangings and I love seeing them on my wall, so I can show you them all, and they're just so fun to look at, so fun to see on your wall. You're like, oh my gosh, I spent time on that, I made that, so it's super fun. First wall hanging that I made is this cutie right here. Oh my gosh, I spent a while on this one, let me tell you, because it's not like the biggest one that I've made. Like the one that I'm going to show you next is much bigger, but I spent a lot more time on this one because of the color changes and the different colors and stuff. It was just a whirlwind of emotions, you know, and I did a video on this one as well, the how I end my wall hangings video. Super fun, tutorial-esque, you know. And I just love it because I never really do like graphics or like artwork. Look at the back, that's insane. But I never do stuff that's like the whole alpha. I always do like Gizmo is only in the middle of the alpha, or like other stuff that's just like in the middle of the alpha. It's not the whole entire alpha, like on the sides, on the bottom, on the top. So this was a great experience for me to, you know, just let my alpha skills be put to the test for sure. So if you're looking for a challenge, I definitely recommend this one. Love the cute little ties. And if you want to know how I end my wall hangings, then I made a video on it. And I made a video of like cutting all the strings, making it super cool, super clean. And yeah, I'm really proud of myself for this one. So a little pat on the back for myself. So the last bracelet themed thing that I'm going to show you is my beloved little bunny that I made, and I went through all of the comments and I think I'm gonna name the bunny Mr. Bun Bun. I believe the comments was bracelets by Des, I believe. So Mr. Bun Bun is good. Also like the name Goober. Shout out to your sister. This one was more of a therapeutic one because the knots were like longer of the same color, you know what I mean? Instead of this one was very different than this one. And I was watching like a lot of Avengers movies through this one, so this one went by pretty quick, like Iron Man 1, 2, and 3, and just a lot of Avengers movies. I love the color changing thread. Like I haven't used that in a big wall hanging, so I'm glad I did, especially green because I love green right now. Green and purple and yellow, just like my top tier 3 colors, you know? Just chilling with those 3 colors, and I just love Mr. Bun Bun. He's super cute. It was so much time put into this. I would say somewhere around 7 to 10 hours maybe. I don't really know, but love this one too. And it's very big. Like, here's the size of my hand. You get the gist, like the size of my head, you know? But I love Mr. Bun Bun, super cute. I want to do more wall hangings with the color changing string because I think it looks super cool. And a little tidbit of information, I had to go to Walmart to get more color changing string because I used so much of it. I used 2 bobbins, like 2.5 bobbins in total. So if you're gonna do a wall hanging this big, make sure you have enough background string. Just a little tidbit of information, you know? So yeah, that is all of my bracelets for this month, my wall hangings, all of my cool creations. Love them so much. Oh, can't forget these 2 little ones right here. But yeah, I love them so much. March was very, very productive. And I also started a new project. This will be for next week. I started a new project. You know how I was talking about branching out in my Not With Me that I did last week. And I started a project. Here are the crochet granny squares. Just a little sneak peek for next week. And I recommend you to start your own little project with crochet, knitting, or just any other craft, you know, branch out into the creative world, have some fun with it, because we never know what we can do until we do it. So yeah, just let that simmer in your mind. But I have been loving just sitting down and crocheting. It's been super fun, but we'll save it for next week. You'll know next week. Just hold on for a little bit. So yeah, now it is time to see all of the wonderful creations from the March challenge. Here they all are right now. Super pretty, super fun. Loved seeing all of the plant alphas. So much fun. Loved looking through all of them and commenting and liking all your posts and looking through all your emails. Super fun. So thank you all so much for participating. Means so much to me. And yeah, here they all are. Super pretty, and just admire the beauty. For the April challenge, I have this super cute normal pattern for you all, and the pattern is 28205. And I think it's very versatile, you know, it's good for beginners maybe, and for like either intermediate and advanced. You can do whatever you want to it and just have a blast. And for the alpha, I am going to do another theme because I love the themes, and I know you all love the themes because I give you so much room to explore and just choose your own patterns. So for this one, it's kind of going to be a normal / alpha one. You can do whatever you want with it. It's going to be like a flowery theme, you know? So what I was thinking is you can do either like these bracelets, because these bracelets have been very poppin', you know, just showing up all over. Or you can do a flowery alpha pattern, you know, have some fun with the flowers, the cute, like, different types of flowers, different styles, different colors, all that jazz, because I'm so excited for spring. Oh my gosh, so much fun. Love all the beautiful colors. So yeah, you can always ask me, DM me, whatever you need to do. If you want to know if it is good for the challenge, or if you have any questions or comments or concerns, just let me know on my Instagram or on my bracelet book or wherever you can find me. All of my links are in the description if you need to know where you can get a hold of me, you know.
Hey, Editing Jadyn here, and I forgot to say that if you want to be shown in the next video, all you have to do is just tag me in your Instagram post if you're going to post it on Instagram, in the comment and in the picture. And if you don't have Instagram and you want to use email, my email is on the screen somewhere, and yeah, you can just email it to me and you'll be all good and dandy. So yeah, back to the video.
So that is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, because that would be much appreciated by moi. And if you haven't already, then be sure to hit that subscribe button, because it's just sitting there. If you haven't already, I'll give you a little time. Okay. But yeah, we're almost at 2K too. Oh my gosh, that's insane, like mental, crazy. So thank you all for being a part of the crafty family, part of the crafty community, and just thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed your stay. I hope you are just staying amazing, being awesome, being marvelous, and yeah, I hope you all have a marvelous day. And yeah, bye guys.